Well, hello, kings and queens. Today is Wednesday, and I'm here at Aldi to look at all their new finds. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Cocktail shaker or bar tool set, $9.99. So this one is a 6-piece set, which is the bar tool, and the cocktail shaker comes in gold and stainless steel wine or martini glasses, $8.99. So the wine glasses is a set of 2, which is so pretty. The martini glasses also comes in a set of 2. And they have the stemless wine glasses, and the colors are gold and black for $8.99. A great deal. Tablecloth and a napkin set, $9.99. Aldi gear. Oh my goodness, they have the pet sweater for $4.99. Oh my goodness. Cute, cute. We have that one. Yes. It comes in size extra small through extra large. Then Aldi gear beanies for $3.99. So they have this one, and the one with the white puff. Okay. Fashion earrings, $4.99. You have Santa, the Nutcracker, all so cute. Men's or ladies wool socks, they are $4.99. So yes, they have that blue, black and pink. Yes. Ladies ultra plush leggings, $6.99. Come in size small, medium, large, and extra large. So it comes in blue and red. I'm not sure if they come in other colors, but those are the only 2 that I see. Small through extra large for $6.99. Ladies ultra plush holiday leggings, $6.99. Small through extra large in size. And yes, here are the leggings. So this is one pattern. Here's another one. Ladies 2-pack turtlenecks, $14.99. Men's or ladies winter gloves, $8.99. Okay, it feels pretty good. Playhouse or 6-pack figurines, $16.99. Playhouse and the figurine. Miniverse Make It Mini Foods Dinner for $7.99. So we have this little ball, and we have all of this here. Magic Mixies Pixeling, $12.99. This is it here. Text Deck Mega Play Set, $24.99. 4 boards included, age 6 and up. 50 Peel and Sticks gift tags, $1.99. 4-piece scissor set for $4.99. Scott gift tape, $3.49. You get a pack of 3. So you get this one, which is the gift wrap tape and the magic tape. 10-pack holiday gift bags. They are $4.99. So you get a variety of bags at a wonderful price. The heavyweight gift wraps, they're $2.49. And 40 by 24. Trolls Squishy, $9.99. Squishy Stretchy Glitter Filled Hair, age 4. Disney 100 Collectible Figurines Pack, $14.99. So right here, celebrate 100 years of Disney magic. Rainbow Coins, $19.99. They have the Mega Jurassic Light Up Dino over 25. Mermaid Corn Surprise and Puppy Corn Rescue. Pokemon tins, they're $22.99. trading card game included. Then the ladies' booties here, they're $16.99. It comes in black. It also comes in cream. So let's take a peek. Okay, really nice. Toddler cozy boots, they're $7.99. So they have that one, the black, and they also have this pretty brown. So nice. Base layer pant or crew, $7.99. Ladies two-piece flannel pajama set, $14.99. Nice, come in size small through extra large. Aldi Gear lady slippers, they're $12.99. Dry mat or shrubber dishcloth, $2.99. So you get 4 of the dishcloths. Decorative tray objects, $4.99. Nice. And you also have that one, really cute. Okay, the knit ornament ceramic candle for $6.99. This one is, it says mistletoe and ivy by the fire and sage, ginger, and sandalwood. Cake stand or buffet server, $9.99. It is so beautiful. Here's the other ones. You can put cupcakes on that one. Then this fondue pot is $24.99. They also have this grill here. Oh. Well, that's nice. It is $24.99 as well. 18 by 30 holiday core mat for $6.99. Already have the adult onesies for $9.99, and the slippers are $4.99. More toddlers ankle boots for $11.99. So they have that one. Oh my goodness, these are so cute for the toddlers. I like it. Men's licensed sleepwear, $14.99. So they have this one in the Grinch. They have Scooby-Doo, Sesame Street, and Justice League. Size small through 2X. Magnetic dress-up closet, $14.99. So nice. Oh yes, over 100 pieces in this kit, guys. Ooh, for $14.99. Not bad at all. And there's another one that's mini. They have the Princess and Barbie. Plush weighted blankets, they're $19.99. They have Spider-Man, Turtle, Stitch, and Hello Kitty for $19.99. These beautiful reversible signs, they're $12.99. The holiday throws are $4.99. The tree collar, $14.99. 5-foot flock potted tree is $29.99. And this one also comes in a 2-pack for $29.99 as well, which is a 3 and a 4-foot tree. Real Christmas tree scent, $6.49. OMG loungewear doll, $12.99. Animal Families 3-pack board books for $9.99. Storytime selection book, $7.99. This 100 Things That Go, core learning skills, vocabulary, classification, and Spanish for $14.99. Color Mania art kit, $4.99. Wooden toy, 100 pieces for $12.99. Fold out activity case, $8.99. Storybook and plush set, I think it's going to be $5.99. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Kato Battle Arena for $24.99. Men's and ladies holiday pajamas, $12.99. Pre-built gingerbread house kit, $12.99. The hot cocoa cup sampler pack, $7.99. Snowman graham snack pack, cinnamon or vanilla, $2.99. You can get 6 of these. Gingerbread house kit is $9.99. Guys, they have the smoked ham butt portion, for $1.79 per pound. Spiral sliced half ham is $1.99 a pound. Fresh whole turkey is $1.99 a pound. Butterball turkey is 99 cents per pound. Organic turkey is $3.49 per pound. Never Any whole turkey, $1.99 per pound. Boneless turkey breast, $3.99 a pound. The bone-in turkey breast is $1.99 a pound. Whole duck with orange sauce, $3.69. Gelato flight, you get 3 per pack, and they are $4.29. Sweet potato casserole, $4.99. Specially select mini scones, baked fresh in 14 to 16 minutes. You get 12, and they are $5.29. Blueberry, cranberry orange, raspberry white chocolate. Charcuterie tasting board is $8.99. And they have this pretzel kit in savory for $8.99. And then they have one in sweet. Nano Lakes pumpkin pie spice spread, a limited edition for $2.49. Happy Farms salted caramel cream cheese spread and the pumpkin spice. Looks amazing for $2.29. Sweet cream butter is $2.49 each, and there's a limit of 6 on this one. And they also have the unsalted butter as well. Pumpkin spice oatmeal creamer is a non-dairy creamer for $3.49. Fresh eggnog is $5.19, and holiday nog smoothie is $5.99. They also have vanilla spice eggnog for $3.99. This creamy macaroni and cheese with real cheddar and American cheese, just heat and serve, and it is $2.95. Meat lasagna is $12.56, ready in 8 minutes. Cauliflower and cheese is $4.99. Bob Evans mashed potatoes, $3.29. Mashed sweet potatoes, $4.99. The Brussels sprouts are $1.89. The asparagus are $3.19. Radishes, 16 ounces for $1.69. Sugar snap peas are $2.49. French green beans, $2.69. Little salad bar shredded lettuce is $1.89. Chopped salad kits are $2.99 each. We have chopped kale for $3.49. They have the pumpkin pie for $6.49. Lemon slice cake, $3.59. Chocolate thumbprints, $3.49. These small cakes are $4.49. They have it in the 7-Up triple chocolate cream. Ooh, yes. They have those croissants for $3.99 for 6. Vanilla cream brioche is $4.89. Assorted Belgian chocolate is $4.49. Mini wheat pumpkin spice, $3.96. Gingerbread cookie mix, as well as caramel, salted caramel, $2.72. Cornbread stuffing is $2.49 for 14 ounces. Stuffing mix with herb is 99 cents. Hot cocoa and marshmallow morsels, $2.98, as well as the caramel. FG free turkey stuffing or chicken stuffing is $3.49. Turkey gravy, 12 ounces for $1.09. Chicken broth is $1.26. Campbell's cheddar cheese is $1.72. Campbell's cream of celery is $1.72. Now it's French fried onions. They are $3.49. Gold Peak Real Brute Tea is $2.74. Sparkling water assorted varieties, $3.98. Sparkling apple cranberry 4-pack, $3.89. And sparkling cranberry or cran ginger juice 4-pack is $3.89. So over here they have the brown and serve rolls for $1.25. They also have the Hawaiian sweet rolls for $1.25. Pumpkin pie. This is a large pumpkin pie for $6.49. Pumpkin cake roll. Don't see the price, but yes, it is here. Pretzels or mistletoe snack mix is $3.69. Peppermint pretzel stars are $2.99. Belgian chocolate box, $7.99. Cute little packaging here. Hot milk chocolate stirs. Oh, how cute. For $4.49. Gingerbread cookie cluster in milk chocolate for $3.49. Holiday music can with sugar cookies, $5.99. Well, all right, friends, that's it today here at Aldi's. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share the content. Thank you all again, and I'll see you all in the next one.